Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGD, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is official public notice released by the University Grants Commissions on 29th December 2021. So this notice is looking very interesting, guys. So everybody has to participate in this one. Okay. So it is the subject is 75 crore Surya Namaskar project on Amrut Mahotsav celebration 75th anniversary of Independence Day. Okay. So while coming to the body of this notice, here I will show you an official website also. So it's really very interesting thing, guys. So all of you has to participate in this one. Okay, fine. So while coming to the body of this notice, National Yogasana Sports Federation is a federation recognized by Ministry of Youth Affairs and the Sports Government of India to spread Yogasana as sports and create awareness of health amongst youngsters of our country. So to commemorate the Amrut Mahotsav celebration 75th anniversary of Independence Day, the Federation has decided to run a project of 75 million Surya Namaskar in 30 states involving 30,000 institutes and 3 lakh students from 1st Jan 2022 7th Feb 2022 and performing the musical Surya Namaskar in front of tricolor on 26th Jan 2022. Okay, that means on Republic Day. The procedure to be followed to participate in the event given as the annexure 1, I will show you. All the higher education institutions and its affiliated colleges or institutions are requested to participate in the event from 1st Jan to the 7th Feb 2022, and the event may also be promoted by giving the wide publicity, dissemination of the information about the event through website, notice boards of the universities or colleges, distribution of pamphlets in the campus of the higher education institution. So on behalf of my YouTube channel, I am also trying to give the wide publicity regarding this 756 crore Surya Namaskar. Okay, so all of you participate in this one. And while coming to the in the annexure one, they given the few more details here. Okay, so before going to this a few more details, I want to show you the official website, guys. So it is official website regarding this 75 crore Surya Namaskar. So if you once enter into this one, so here the Surya Namaskar, about us, instructions, FAQs and all these things are there. So here the individual registration can be done. Institution from your institution you can register, and the volunteer registrations are there. So and in the Surya Namaskar, okay, that means here you can check down whatever the different steps that you need to do. Okay, so starting from the Siddha Sthiti, that is the starting position, and here the different steps are also given here. So please once observe all these steps. And here for your information purpose, here one video is also provided, guys, how to do the Surya Namaskar. So regarding this one video is also there. So it is a 7 minutes 38 seconds video. So this video is wonderfully designed that you can learn the Surya Namaskar from this video. Whatever the different steps they mentioned above, all the steps you can check down. Okay, and while coming back to the notice again, so log into the Surya Namaskar event website, and through self-explanatory steps, register your organization as a participating institute, or else you can register individually, no problem. So through an Excel sheet, all the participants of your institute can be collectively registered at a time, and by each participant, individual or part of an organization, 12 poses of Surya Namaskar Yogasana must be performed 13 times every day for 21 days. Okay, within duration of the 51 days. That means within the 51 days, total 21 days you need to do, starting from 1st Jan to ending on the 20th Feb 2022. Okay. So if it is an organization, then 1 minute video of collectively performing Surya Namaskar must be recorded daily by the organization. These videos can be shot offline or performed in a Facebook live sessions to create a digital footprint. And for an individual, 30 seconds video of performing Surya Namaskar must be recorded by the participant from their phones. On a daily basis, a group photograph of the participating group must be taken at any stage of asana by the organization and kept in the records. On a daily basis, a photograph of self must be taken at any stage of the asana and kept in the records. Okay, so if you once enter into the official website of this 75suryanaMaskar.com, then you will come to know each and everything. Okay, so you can also find out, so what is the scientific research on Surya Namaskar, what are the different benefits are there. Okay, so really it will be the wonderful thing, okay, wonderful opportunity to our Indians. Okay, so providing by the University Grants Commissions. So all of you take this one as a very good initiation. And if you're an individual, then click on the individual registration and whatever the different steps they're asking to follow. So just please follow all these things very carefully. Okay, guys. So from my side, I am trying to publicize this one very widely, and please do this publicity from your side also, and share this video to your friends as much as possible, and try to make all of them to participate in this 75 crore Surya Namaskar project. Okay, so thank you very much guys. Jai Hind.